like to invite you to try our drawing and painting lessons, where I teach kids how to do beautiful artwork by combining simple shapes. Each project is about 20 to 30 minutes, and I tell interesting facts about the subject that we're drawing. And at the end, there is a memory game. It's fun, it's creative, and kids love it. Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria, and today I'll be drawing a cute castle. Please grab your marker and we can start. So we're gonna draw like an arch first, something like this. From here, I'm gonna bring like one line up, then another one here, connect it together, and then extend it a little bit on one side and then on the other. Then you can put a dot here, and then we're gonna connect both sides, so it's like a triangle here. Now we're gonna draw a similar thing on this side now. So I'm gonna draw one line, two lines, connect them together and extend a little bit, then put a dot and bring the lines down. That's nice. And they don't have to be identical. One can be bigger or smaller, you decide. So from here, I'm gonna draw like this. That's good. And right in the middle of this thing here, I'm gonna bring one line up. Then in the middle of this one, I'm gonna bring another line up. And we're gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna draw like a line, then I can put a dot, and now I'm gonna connect. So it's a pretty big triangle. That's good. Now we can add windows. You can think of any decor you want. So I'm gonna add like a window here, and I'm gonna do even like this. Now I'm gonna add a door to our castle. So I'm gonna draw a pretty big arch like this, and I can even add some design to it. So something like this, but you can think of your own. That's cute. Now here I'm gonna add two small windows. 1, 2. That's cute. And here I'm gonna draw like windows, but like a different shape. So it's another like arch. Here you go. And I'm gonna do the same one on this side now. Very nice. Now again, we can add some details, but you can think of your own. Maybe it's a heart, or maybe it's a flag that you want to add, or it's something else. So you decide. There you go. And you can even draw something here if you want. But I think I'm good. And that's about it. Later we can add some trees or flowers. That'll be very cute as well. Now I'm going to put the marker aside, and I'm going to start coloring. And the way you can do it is you can use multiple colors, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Or you can use just one single color, or maybe one tower, one color, then this one is going to be something else. So use your imagination and think how you want it. Now the next one, I'm going to use orange. Now I'm going to use pink, gonna use like a bright pink. Now the next one, I'm going to use nice purple. Let's see, I might want to use this one. I'm using pink again, and that's just to help to blend all the colors. And that's good. Now I'm gonna use light blue for the rose. Now grab any color that you want this tower to be in. Now pick the color for the windows, and I'm going to use light blue again. It's going to be very cute. Look at our colorful castle. So pretty. Now the next I'm going to draw the hearts on top of the roof red. Now grab a green and let's color this area green. I'm going to add a little bit of yellow here, just add it slightly a little brighter here, but you can use how you want it. If you want, like, you could keep how it was before, or maybe add multiple colors as well. Now I'm going to grab brown, and I'm going to, actually before that, let's use green, and here I'm going to just draw into color like a circle. We have the same thing here, and that's going to be for the trees. Now grab brown. Now if you want, you can go back and maybe add a little bit of shape. That's pretty. We're almost done. One final step that I want to do, I'm going to grab yellow and I'm going to blend in this orange a little bit. Perfect. And now our project is done. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Thank you.